What's going on, guys? Rich here, back with another video with that 1S3. And today I'm going to show you guys how I clean my all-season WeatherTech mats. As you can see here, they're a little bit gray, a little bit faded out. So I'm just going to clean them up and show you how I bring the black color back to these mats. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I do it.
So as you can see here, the mat is a little bit dirty, a little bit faded, a little bit grayed out. We're going to try to bring the black color back. The products I'm using today are Griot's interior cleaner and VRP dressing by Chemical Guys. I'm also going to use this medium stiff bristled brush to kind of brush the mat and agitate some of that dirt. So I'll show you how we do it.
Obviously, first step, spray down the mat, get rid of any heavy dirts. Now keep in mind, my mat is not that dirty. It is just a little bit grayed out, a little bit faded. I don't know if you can see here. That's what it looked like when it came straight from WeatherTech. That's what it looks like right now. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get the black back to this mat. So I'll show you how I do it. Okay guys, so now that we got our mat sprayed down, a lot of the heavy dirt is off, it's gone. So we're going to go ahead with our interior cleaner and we're just going to soak the mat, let the interior cleaner work its magic, loosen up any of the dirt in between the crevices there, and then we're going to go in with our brush and agitate the rest of the dirt that's on there. So I'll show you how we do it. Now that we soaked the mat, you want to let it sit for a little bit. Once you do, then you go in with the brush and just get in between corners, basically the whole mat to loosen up all the dirt that's stuck on. So. Here I'm all brushed up. As you can see, the interior cleaner was doing its work. Looks like it picked up a bunch of the dirt. So we're going to give this a quick rinse. Come back, show you what it looks like before we put on the dressing to get that black look. Now that we got everything rinsed off, we can go ahead and dry it off, just to kind of see if we missed any areas and how we did it.
Okay guys, for the most part, everything is starting to dry up, but it's still not as black as I would like it. So our next step here is to go in with the applicator pad with Chemical Guys' VRP dressing, and that should finish it off, give this mat a nice black look again.
So Chemical Guys VRP dressing, it's safe to use on vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Okay guys, now that we got the VRP all worked in, so much better than before. But I'll show you the other mats, just for comparison's sake. Clean one versus wet. So over here I have a side-by-side comparison. The one we cleaned up was the driver's side, this is the passenger side. The driver's side had a little bit more wear and tear than the passenger side, but noticeably big difference back to its black finish. Passenger side here, dull, dirty, almost like it's grayed out. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you know someone in need to clean up their weather